I heard it's your daughter's birthday today, right? Yes, that's right. We've prepared everything, and the party starts in an hour. That sounds great. Is there anything else I can help with? We've actually already done everything, but thank you for the offer. No problem. I am at your disposal. How old is your daughter? She is already 5 years old today. Time flies by so quickly. That really is incredible. How will you celebrate the birthday? It's going to be a garden party. That sounds like a lot of fun. As you can see, we hung up balloons and garlands. She's sure to like it. We have prepared various games in the garden. I hope the weather cooperates. The sun is shining, and there are no clouds in the sky. Have you got enough food and drinks for all the guests? Yes, we have prepared a buffet. Is there also a birthday cake? Yes, we ordered a chocolate cake. I can imagine that your daughter is very excited. Oh, yes. She could hardly wait for the big day to finally arrive. Have you bought enough presents for her? Yes, we got a lot of presents. I'm sure she'll be delighted. I wish your daughter a wonderful birthday. Thank you very much. I will tell her.